The judgment in 2016 rape case involving Goa Minister Babush Monserrat has been postponed once again. The court has now fixed February 11 as the new date for the verdict. Monserrat was booked in 2016 under the Indian Penal Code and Protection of Children from Sexual Offence Act for allegedly drugging and raping a 16-year-old girl. In 2018, Punji Polls Monserrat contested on a Congress ticket and was severely criticized by Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant after the rape victim went mysteriously missing during the campaign. The victim, however, reappeared soon after the by-elections which Monserrat won. The trial has seen several delays over the years, including examination of witnesses and legal arguments from both the sides. Monserrat has consistently denied the allegation, calling them false and politically motivated. Today, the court was expected to pronounce its judgment, but it was deferred, extending the wait in the case that has drawn whispered attention because of the stature of the accused and the serious nature of the charge. All eyes are now on February 11 when the court is expected to finally deliver its verdict in the long pending and closely watched case.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.